simple twist. That will be a heart pendant. Let's start with the one circle. The circle, uh, you select zero enter, select with any color which is more visible. So this will be a 15 mm circle, right? You can on the points make a heart shape with the help of circle, right? I think this will look good. You can check with the physical size. This is somewhere 15 mm, right? This is somewhere 15 mm. You can cut it with the help of line, split command. So now I'm hiding these two. I'm hiding these two. Rebuild with 10 points, right? You can change the color. You can extend this line with the help of move points or drag points. So rebuild it again with 11 points, or you can check with the 10 points also. Doesn't. Oh, this is looking good. Right. Hide this one. 1.5 mm, 1.2 mm. You can check with dim dimension 1.5 by 1.2 mm. Right. You can fillet corners with point 1. Right. I did this. So rotate. Okay. So I need that design to be in dome shape. So best way, so go to the solid and select the tool's name ellipse, parabolite, sorry. Zero enter, and you can go with the S dome you are expecting. So now this is, I think, too much. Let me check how much is this. This is somewhere around 5 mm, right? Yes, 5.3. So looks too much. Make it little low. Move this down. Scale it. Project this curve on the top of this ellipse, this parabolite. The project command, select the surface and right click. You can hide this. Wow. Keep the project on. Select this curve, zero enter, and put in the end of this another curve. Not required for the project. Blender is on already. Yes, now looks good. You can array this section with 5 numbers. Yeah, I got this. You can hide the extra points, extra section. Now the choice, you go with the sweep one rail. Sweep one. One, two, three. Right click, right click. Okay. You can change the color. Rotate this one with 90 degree. Place one line mid to mid to maintain the parameter. So it was I need from here to here, that is somewhere 1.5 mm. Scale only 1.5 divided by 2, and I need height 1.2 mm. 1.2 divided by 2. So I got the exact parameter which I wanted. Right, guys. You can rotate this little bit if you want. Just a minute, you can off with the ortho. Sorry. You can rotate and you can check. You can mirror it. Looks good for now. Go with the ISO curve, strict ISO curve. And now we are putting diamond on that surface. So till this line. So that's the reason I'm cutting this from this point. And this will be my first diamond. I am cutting this extra metal for extra curve. Put points P-O-I-N-T. You can type. Yes, good one. So I want 1 mm stone to be set on this surface. So I'm using the array along curve. Array along curve. You can check with this array along curve. Select the points and click on the curve. Distance, my diamond size, as I told you, that is 1 mm. So the distance should be, the gap between two diamonds should be 0.15 to 0.2. So I'm just putting the gap between including diamond and gap. So 1 mm, I will need 1.2. 1.2. 1.2. Let's cut it off the extra curve, extra length. Okay, I did this. Now you can orient the gemstones, flip, select the surface, press F6, gems on surface, scale it with 1 mm. Okay, now we have all the points with exact 0.2 mm gap. Right, friends? Select all diamonds, group it. You can put the prongs.